Welcome back. In this video, we'll create your very first workspace, the home for all your contacts, campaigns, and settings. Let's set one up together. Right after you sign in, you'll land on the Workspaces page. Since this account is brand new, Email Sendex greets you by name and invites you to create your first workspace. So what is a workspace? Think of it as a sealed container. One workspace holds the contacts, campaigns, and settings for a single brand. If you manage several brands or clients, you'll give each one its own workspace. Let's name it. Click the Workspace name field and type the name of your brand or client. You've got up to 60 characters to work with. As you type, watch the preview. Email Sendex builds a little avatar tile and turns your name into a tidy web address. That's the slug. It updates live so you can see exactly how your workspace link will look. Below the 4, Email Sendex previews the journey ahead. Connect a sending provider, import your contacts, design a campaign, then send and track it. That's the path we'll follow across these tutorials. Happy with the name? Go ahead and click Create Workspace. And just like that, your workspace exists. Email Sendex drops you right onto its dashboard, ready to go. Once you've got one or more workspaces, the page looks a little different. Instead of the welcome hero, you'll see a grid, one card per workspace, with a button to spin up another whenever you need it. Each card is a doorway. Click one to step into that workspace. Switching between them is this easy, which is perfect if you're juggling several clients. That's your workspace created and ready. Next, let's open its settings and give it a proper brand identity.